All right, what's up everyone? Trevor here, Tag Performance and Nutrition. We are back, another lower body day, acceleration day at the track. So again, this week we're not doing any timing of our sprints, just kind of just getting the rhythm of feeling sprints rather than just focusing on solely that time. Because I think with the timers, a lot of times you just grind them out and get too tense. So pulling back on that and just focusing on free sprinting, just sprinting freely, moving freely. No spikes either, so we're just kind of letting the feet get a break from being in the cleats because they're sort of tight and narrow and just beating up the toes are just feeling it. So today we just did variations of tennis ball chasing, starting from different positions, tossing the ball as soon as it hits, react, go sprint. We did some 10s, we did some 20s, and a couple 30s as well, just chasing that tennis ball, trying to grab it on as few bounces as possible, giving you that target to shoot for, but also not worrying about timing. So giving you something to chase down, it gives you that object. Go get it, and it kind of pushes you to go faster so you can get it on as few bounces. So gamifying it that way. We also did, just for our warm-up, we did some deep tier plyos, some drops as well over there. But now we're back here and we're gonna get into our jumps and then our lifts. So we're gonna go Sally's from Yoakum, just kneeling to like a spin, try to do a full 360. I probably am not there. I'm not good at getting off my knees, so that's a good challenge for me. I'm just jump and try and spin from a kneeling position, and then we're gonna do a kneel to a broad jump. So jump up from the kneel right into a broad jump. We're also going to do dumbbell verticals. Probably a month or two ago, I had these in and was making good progress. So we're going to put them back in. Have 20-pound dumbbells a day. We'll probably up it each week by 5 pounds or so and just see if we can keep progressing higher jumps with higher weight. So that's how we're going to progress those. Then for our lifts, our main lift today, we're going to go front squat, about 4 or 5 sets of 3 on that, and just kind of keep it above there. Pair that with a skydiver or a Bray Wyatt, so a gymnast bridge, feet elevated to kind of get our spine feeling good. So that's going to be, we're going to work in our warm-up sets with that, with these jumps in between there. So we just kind of get ready to go that way. So let's see if we can even do these jumps. I don't even know if I can do a jump or a knee. From our knees to the spin. Let's see if we can even, we'll try. You don't know if you don't try it. I can barely get not even a 180, like a 90. Like a 180, I think. Very unimpressive with those. Let's see how the broad jumps are. We'll get a marker so we can jump farther each time. So we'll start at this tape, so we kind of just jump from here. So we're kind of trying to give ourselves the same spot. It might not always be the same spot. Not very aggressive there either. Yeah, first jumps. Eyes a little rusty. Now we're just to finish up the jumps. Did set a PR on the verticals, but close. I think I was about 3. I was 19.4. My best ever was 19.7, I think, for 20 pounders. So we're right back up there. So nothing to worry about there. Kneeling, those are tough. The spins, I'm terrible at those. So it'll be fun to keep those in and kind of to work on those. Might do those more than once a week. Probably add those in on my Fridays too, just to spice things up, have fun with those. Those are kind of fun. So a good challenge there. But just working out up on our front squats. Set to 3, keep it above 4 or 5. See where we're at there and what we can get for weight. So we're gonna pair those with feet elevated Bray Wyatt's. So that gymnast bridge. From there, just get that spine extension. Zercher deadlifts, and then some split squat Jefferson iso holds, and then calf raises will be good for the day.